just to finish off the whole medieval.
Yes.
Oh yeah, you just found that one.
It is one of those habits that's very difficult to get.
Well, would you like to go take a look outside? This is the balcony.
This is nice.
It's great, isn't it?
Beautiful day.
I love this tree.
I see you're growing lemons. Is that lemons?
They're lemons. I don't know if, they'd probably be good enough to eat. Just for those trees that happen to be there.
So you're not going to have to make any fresh lemonade or anything then?
You know,
You don't. You're not
if
even
I had
sure if
longer-
there's lemon.
But as is now.
On a warm day.
On a warm day.
On a warm day, 4th of July or something. Some watermelon and barbecue chicken, corn on the cob, some lemonade.
It sounds really good right now. It's such a beautiful day.
It's almost warm enough for the 4th of July.
Yeah. Yeah, it's beautiful, isn't it? I found that it's weird how I found this apartment. This friend of mine lived next door, in the next building over, and he knew the manager lived here. And the thing is, a manager has to, the manager managed like 6 different buildings